Are you someone without a job yet and you are seeing customer service representative jobs flying around and you think, oh, that is not for me? If you fall into this category, I would say start somewhere. Start with customer service if you get the opportunity. If it is totally unrelated to what you read in school, I would say fine, then wait and follow your actual career path. But if you get an opportunity, especially if you're living in Nigeria, I would say start with something just to get your hands dirty. I'll tell you this because as a customer service representative, there are skills you can actually build, and that can also help you build your CV. You can build skills like communication skills, troubleshooting skills, organization skills. You can be adaptable. You can build collaboration skills. You can develop empathy or know how to apply it in situations. These are skills you can build. These are skills you can actually develop on the role, and they are applicable in any career path. So instead of staying idle, not developing yourself, not adding value to yourself, I would say start in customer service. The value there is going to remain with you. You'll be able to transfer the skills as you pivot in your career. So customer service is not a bad place. Some people see it as a low ranking career path. It may be that way in this part of the world, but trust me, it is a starting point in your career journey. Most of us started as customer service representatives. Most of us built our skills from where we were to where we are now. No experience is a waste, so give it a shot, try it out, and there are several paths to go through as a customer service representative. So don't throw these opportunities away as far as they meet certain needs and as far as they are convenient for you when it comes to proximity, logistics, remuneration. So put it to good use, and I will share more insights on this with my clear framework for customer service that I developed. I'll be doing a series on each alphabet, which is CLEAR, to help you begin your journey in customer service. And finally, you don't need to dwell in customer service. Remember, it's just a starting point in your career journey. Use it to build your skills, use it to build the skills you already mentioned, and pivot from there. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.